Hello there, Pride Falcons. I hope everyone's having a great week. Today I have a book that I would love to share with you. It's a nonfiction story, and it's all about the moon. It's called Moon, Earth's Best Friend. This book is written by Stacy McNulty, and Stevie Lewis is the illustrator. So here we go. Moon, Earth's Best Friend. By Moon with Stacy McNulty. Illustrated by Moon with Stevie Lewis. Moon is very talented, I have a feeling. Look up, look up, look up. It's me, Moon. I'm Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning. Almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth. Big old mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of earth, and even lava were blasted into space. This trash came together to make me. A satellite. Actually, I'm Earth's only natural satellite. Natural, not created by Earthlings. Satellite. I circle Earth. She has thousands of human-made satellites, too. They're mostly metal and plastic. Not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's #1 real sidekick. But you probably noticed I look different every night. Fun, right? Check out my phases. Waning crescent, new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbons, full moon, doesn't make wolves howl, waning gibbous, and last quarter. There we go. Some other planets have best friends too. I am Moon, but I'm not the only moon in the solar system. It's Jupiter and moons, Neptune and moons, Saturn and moons, Mars and moons, Uranus and moons. Of all the moons, I'm 5th biggest. Here's Io, Titan, Callisto, and Ganymede. I'll always be Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger, 4 times bigger, 6,784 miles around, 24,874 miles around, and her gravity is 6 times stronger. Gravity. The invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying up to the sky. A cow that weighs 600 pounds on Earth would only weigh 100 pounds on me. Speaking of cows, Earth has cows and nursery rhymes starring cows. But a cow never jumped over me. I'm too far away for even a kangaroo to make that leap. Average distance between Earth and me, 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths in that distance and probably a gazillion cows. BFFs help each other out. I keep Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the most important thing I do. And you probably didn't even know about it. With me, gentle spinning, my gravity at work. Without me, topsy-turvy. Don't worry, moon gazers. You're never without me. I don't disappear during the day. I'm always here for Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright out, or when it's cloudy, or when I'm on the other side of the Earth. I can prove I'm always here. Check out the ocean's tides. High tide happens twice a day. Low tide happens twice a day. That's gravity again. My gravity pulling on the Earth's oceans. Other things you won't find on me: oxygen, mosquitoes, which is a good thing, I think, plants, liquid water, animals, including cows. Things you will find on me: rocks, really big rocks, more rocks, presents from Earth, that stuff left behind by astronauts like nail clippers, golf ball, falcon feather, hammer, and American flag. Earth and I have so much fun together. Like when we play eclipse, solar eclipse. I hide sun for a few minutes. We play this during the day. Lunar eclipse. Earth's shadow passes over me. We play this at night. I'm always here for Earth. I'm always here for you. Where Earth goes, I go. And where Earth goes, you go. Guess that makes us best friends too. And that was Moon, Earth's best friend. Now, there's a little more to this book. Dear fellow moon gazers, it's easy to see why Moon is Earth's best friend. Moon is loyal. We know exactly where and when we'll see her. Moon is helpful. She keeps our planet from being too wobbly and creates the tides. She's fun. You can't have an eclipse without her. In addition, Earth and Moon have history. They go back about 4.5 billion years. So next time you see your BFF, say, "You're as marvelous as the moon." And that's quite the compliment. Sincerely, Stacy McNulty, author and fan of natural satellites. P.S. Every day, scientists are learning more and more about our solar system. Yay, science! So some details may change as our knowledge expands, but hey, that's to be expected, right? And then if you check this book out from the library, any library, you'll see there's even more. Back in the back of the book, there is 2 truths and a myth with Moon, so you can play a little game, do a little quiz with Moon. Moon by the number, so lots of interesting facts listed about Moon that have to do with numbers. For example, we have a full moon every 295 Earth days, all in a name, so different types of moon, like blood moon, for example. This happens during a lunar eclipse as Moon passes through the Earth's shadow and Moon appears red. And there's more color facts. And then there's some sources, and that is where the author got much of her information to write this book. So this is a really great one. We also have a book called Sun, 1 in a Billion, that I'll be sharing with you as well. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you read some nonfiction too.